Hello! So today we are going to go through what we will bring for our food for our Boundary Water trip coming up next week. So I thought I would go through individual meals and what we're kind of planning on for like a 5-day trip. So first off, when we go that Thursday, we're going to do a pack lunch. So we're going to just have like a sandwich, maybe, or an apple and some chips. So there'll be a packed lunch, which will be separately packed. And then for that evening, the first evening, we are going to be bringing steaks, and I'm going to be doing potatoes, and then we're going to have a salad. So that is also fresh items that we'll eat up right away. This will be for the next 4 days. So what we have for breakfast items is we got fully cooked bacon. So this, you find in the grocery store, just in the produce aisle. It is fully cooked. We just need to warm it up. Along with our bacon, we got 3 packs of fully cooked bacon. And then we also did 1 cup of pancake mix in this, and I just made them individually into that, so we can have pancakes for 2 mornings.
Christie's mix, the best.
Christie's, yeah. This is our cat Butteroon. He is very, he's smelling all of our...
He's just gonna self-introduce himself.
Yeah. He likes to smell all the food.
Oh, bacon.
And then we also have some instant oatmeal. So we will be having that. So we'll have like pancakes and bacon for a couple mornings, and then some hash browns. These hash browns are really nice for camping. We've used it other times. You just boil some water, which will boil in the kettle with the MSR pocket rocket with the fuel tank. Boil up some water or on the fire. You fill this up. And then you wait 5 minutes, and then you pour this out. We'll cook it up in this frying pan, and on top of the fire. Really good hash browns, really good. So that will be kind of like our breakfast items. We also do have some craisins and some apricots that we can throw into our oatmeal if we want, or just snacks on the side to have. So we do have these bags as well. Also for dinners, we are planning on doing a taco mac one night. So right now in the dehydrator in the kitchen, we have dehydrated burger that I am cooking up, and we'll have the taco seasoning with the dehydrated burger and these ready pasta noodles. So all they need is a little bit of oil on a pan, warm them up, add in the dehydrated burger, let that cook with it, and the taco seasoning, and then I'm also dehydrating some peppers and onions that I'm going to throw in with that. So that will be a meal, taco mac one night.
It's going to be good.
We also got some rice that we're going to use, so hopefully on this trip we catch some fish.
Yep.
That's your job right there.
Hoping to catch some fish. We do have backups in case that doesn't go as planned.
Yeah, so we figured rice would pair nicely with fish, and we also do got some shore lunch and some oil, so if we need to cook up our fish with. And we also do have some syrup for our pancakes, so they pair well good together. We got some just regular these Idaho loaded baked potatoes. So these are easy, just add a little bit of water to them.
Those are for our first night.
This is for our first night, yep. So we also have some trail mix. So this is a banana, chocolate, and kind of nut mix that we have. So that's good. And we also have this power blend that has a lot of nuts, chocolates. We have 2 of those, and a Southwest blend.
Southwest blend, all from Fleet Farm. Can't go wrong with their trail mixes. Good stuff.
For lunches, what me and Christian have decided to do is make wraps for lunches. So what we'll have is we have some wraps with
some sun-dried tomatoes.
Sun-dried tomatoes. We also have this dried salami. So this is you can just use. It's good for a few days without having to refrigerate it. So the dried salami with some Laughing Cow cheese, the dehydrated tomatoes, as he said, and then we also have this pack that has
little ranch packets.
Yep, ranch packets. So just kind of making up some wraps, and we also have these Star-Kissed chicken creation. So we got a chicken salad and a zesty lemon pepper. We have a few of those. So we can also put these in our wraps as well. I also made some dehydrated jerky.
Some homemade venison jerky.
Yeah, homemade venison dehydrated jerky. So we got two, I got a pack of that so we can munch on that as well. And then also for lunches or whenever we're hungry throughout the day, some snacks is we got some fruit bars, peanut butter dark chocolate bars, lar bars, just a whole bunch of good fruit and granola bars to have with, and then of course a little bit of chocolate. You know, you want some energy, you kind of like to bring what you like, and we both like our chocolate, so we got some Snickers, some Reese's, and Cowtails. So we just got a little extra snacks there. And then we also got two of these peanut butter, squeezable peanut butter things. So we can put them in a wrap if we want. We can mix them in our oatmeal. We can just have some peanut butter on the side, a little protein. I'm a big peanut butter person, so that's always ideal. And then since we are
filtering all of our water, we are bringing a little bit of Mio just to kind of offset maybe the funny taste, plus a little bit of pick-me-up energy, caffeine in these.
Mm-hmm. And we also are bringing olive oil.
A little bit of olive oil. Found the perfect bottle in the grocery store. Can't go wrong with that. And of course a little bit of Tabasco for just anything. On the wraps, on the fish, anything you want. A little small size, perfect.
So that is what, and then we also got some bacon bits. You know, throw them in the potatoes, throw them in the wraps, hash browns, really whatever. Just a little extra protein right there.
Calories. We're looking to just get our calorie intake.
So that is kind of what we have planned for our Boundary Water trip.
That's what we have for 4
days.
4 days.
So our plan is I kind of have all of our lunch items that are going to be in this bag.
Yep.
And then the rest of the food, besides our hard items, such as olive oil, tobacco sauce, Mio's, syrup, peanut butters, and the Mountain House bags, will also go in that mesh bag right here.
It's another bear bag, kind of, in a way. It's just to kind of keep the critters out. So we're going to try to put all of our harder items in there.
And since we couldn't fit the rest of it into this bag. So all the rest of the food will be in this bag and then put in this pack. So yeah, that is all of our food, and we showed you kind of our camp setup gear in our previous video. So hope you enjoy. See you later.
Let's go over the, let's go show them the ground hamburger.
All right, you do that.
Okay. Here's our dog Nellie as well. So over here, we've got our ground hamburger cooking up.
So we got some ground hamburger. Yeah, we got 4 trays of those. So that just started, so it has a little ways to go.
Perfect. Is there anything else you want to say before we peace out of this video now?
Just see you at the next one.